Hello, CALS family. The impact of Hurricane Helene on our students' families, faculty, staff, and agricultural communities in Western North Carolina is profound. Many of us have friends, colleagues, and family navigating the aftermath, including those in our county extension offices and research stations. Please know that the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences supports you during this difficult time. We are in this together. I want to echo Chancellor Woodson's message, which shares vital resources for those directly impacted and for everyone across our state. Numerous members of our college are on the front lines in Western North Carolina. Our extension team is on calls daily about how we can assist with the recovery efforts and to ensure that the latest science-based information is available to those in need about how to recover safely. Both the North Carolina Department of Agriculture and NC State research stations across the system are serving as staging areas for relief efforts, including receiving and allocating animal feed and hay as needed, and diesel and gas for emergency responder vehicles and equipment. The Upper Mountain Research Station in Laurel Springs is providing hot meals for emergency responders and delivering meals to the general community as needed. The Mountain Horticultural Crops Research and Extension Center will receive deliveries of diesel and gas to allocate for emergency services. And this is just the beginning of our efforts. While it's too soon to have a full understanding of the scope of their work and what will be needed as we move forward, we value and appreciate the efforts of everyone in CALS and especially our Western North Carolina County Extension and Research Station personnel. We will continue to share information about how you can help. Also, please visit the NC State Extension Disaster Information Center for real-time updates and information in the coming days and weeks as we unite to help our North Carolina agricultural family recover and rebuild. Above all, remember that the CALS community stands united. We are here for you, and we will get through this together.